Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 9, Flag of Different Countries. A national flag is a flag that represents and symbolizes a given nation. It is flown by the government of that nation, but usually can also be flown by its citizens. A national flag is typically designed with specific meanings for its colors and symbols, which may also be used separately from the flag as a symbol of the nation. The design of a national flag is sometimes altered after the occurrence of important historical events. Now let us start question answer session. Match the following countries to their flags. First, China. The flag of China is the flag with the gate of heavenly peace superimposed on it, which is option C. The gate of heavenly peace is a monumental gate in the city center of Beijing, China. The front gate of the imperial city of Beijing, located near the city's central business district, and widely used as a national symbol. First built during the Ming Dynasty in 1420. Tiananmen was the entrance to the imperial city, within which the Forbidden City was located. Tiananmen is located to the north of Tiananmen Square and is separated from the plaza by Chang'an Avenue. Next one, France. The flag of France is tricolor, three vertical bands, blue, white and red, which is option F. The blue color symbolizes nobility, white color symbolizes clergy, and red color symbolizes bourgeois, which were the estates of the old regime in France. When the tricolor was formally adopted in 1794, its color symbolized the values of the French Revolution: liberty, equality, brotherhood, democracy, secularism, and modernization. Next one, Portugal. The flag of Portugal is green and red with arrows in the center, which is option A. The flag of Portugal is a rectangular bicolor with a field divided into green on the hoist and red on the flag. The lesser version of the national coat of the arms is centered over the color boundary at equal distance from the upper and lower edges. Next country, USA. The flag of USA is 13 strips and 50 stars, which is option G. The 50 stars on the flag represent the 50 states of the United States of America, and the 13 stripes present the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Kingdom of Great Britain and become the first states in the US. Nickname for the flag include the Star and Stripes is Old Glory and the Star Spangled Banner. Next country, India. The flag of India is tricolor of deep saffron on the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom with a chakra in the center, which is option B. The top band is saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharmachakra. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. Next country, Japan. The flag of Japan is white surface superimposed with rising sun, which is option D. The Japanese flag is made up of a red circle symbolizing the sun against at a white background. It is known as the Hinomaru in Japanese, meaning circle of the sun, because Japan lies at the far west of the Pacific Ocean. The sun rises spectacularly over the sea to the east. Next country, Pakistan. The flag of Pakistan is dark green with white vertical narrow band with green portion bearing a white crescent moon and five pointed heraldic star, which is option E. The green represents the Muslim majority in Pakistan and the white stripe represents religious minorities. The crescent represents progress and the five pointed star represents light and knowledge. Now let us see fun fact. The national flag of USA is also the Old Glory. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.